Hello people, it's Chris in Arena Studio, just busy working on some production stuff, and I've got a few lessons coming up today, and one of the issues that I've noticed with one or two players over the last few weeks is chord changing. Now I'm going to play two sequences of four chords, G, E minor, C, D. If you don't know these chords, then you need to go back and learn them before you take this next step. But what this is going to do, it's going to be a little cheat, a little hack, that's going to get you through to those smoother changes without realising that this is the kind of thing that goes on with a lot of players. Even the players don't realise they do this sometimes. So the chords go like this. Nice little basic strumming pattern. Okay? So keeping it nice and simple. G, E minor, okay, now here's the little hack. I'm going to slow this right down. Watch what the left hand does on the final upstroke of the strumming pattern, and that should give the game away, hopefully. Okay, so it goes like this. I'm going to do it mega slow for you. So did you notice that when I play the upstroke on the end of the strumming pattern, I'm actually not fretting any chords whatsoever, I'm just literally... But because we play these things a little bit quicker, and in the context of songs with other musicians playing around us sometimes, we don't pick up on these things. And I do know quite a lot of guitar players who don't even know that they do this themselves till you point it out to them and they go, "Whoa, man, you just blown my mind." Well, they don't say that really, they just go, "Oh, that's pretty weird that really, Chris." Anyway, I'll show you the sequence quickened up a little bit. Off, off, off. Okay, so it's a good little tip, and like I say, when you see it in the context of played with a little bit more speed there, you don't notice it's going on. It can be, what you're basically creating is half a beat of extra time to change from the chords, from the previous chord to the next one. So if I was to count them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, you've got to try and get onto that chord change on the first beat of the bar. But this way we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So it's that gap between the fourth beat and the first beat of the bar that we're actually playing the upstroke on, and it gives us that opportunity, that half a beat extra to actually land on that first beat for the next chord. How cool is that little hack there? That could be the difference between actually playing the chords and linking them together, because you've created that extra little bit of time. So that's it, that's your little cheat for your chord changes for today. Please like and subscribe to the channel, it makes my day. And as I always say, stay safe, stay well, and keep on rocking in the free world.